So guys, let's talk about tuples, the another data type, same as list, but there is few major differences in lists and tuples. So tuples is useful in situations where you might want to share the data with someone but not allow them to manipulate the data. They can however use the data, but no change can be reflected in the original data shared. So we can say that tuples are immutable. Like we cannot add data, we cannot delete the data, we can only access the data. So let's see how we can create a tuple, and then we will see how can we access the data. So tuple can be created by small braces. One, two, five, six, comma, five. So that is my tuple. I have created a tuple. Now if you want, let's see if we can append that or not. My tuple dot append, and if I tuple object has no attribute append, you can see that, hence we cannot add data to tuples. So let's try to access the tuples. So first we are going to print my tuple. Here it is. Now I want to access the data, so my tuple, and in big braces we can access according to, as we see in list, as we see that we can access the data based on indexing. So the same concept lies here as well. So let me I want to get Python. So what is the index number of Python? 4. Let me write my tuple 4, and it is Python. If we want to get my tuple 2 to 4, then it will start from 2, but it will not print the fourth indexing, which is Python. It will print 2 and 3, like 2 is 5th and third indexing is 6th. So this is all about tuples. We can only create tuple, we cannot append tuple, we cannot delete data from tuples, we can only access it. I have already told you what, in which condition we use tuple. So for this data type, so guys, this is our last data structure, which we call set. So sets are a collection of unordered elements that are unique, meaning that even if the data is repeated more than one time, set always store the data only once. So let's see by an example. We want to create a set called my set, medium braces, and we will store 45, 12, 1, 89, 1, 45, 12. So like you can see, I have stored twice 45, twice 1, twice 12. Let me run, let me print my set. Sorry guys for the typo. you can see it can be removed. The data that repeated itself has been removed. Now we have only four distinct values: 89, 1, 12, and 45. So as you can see, so by this you can understand that set is basically used to get unique values when we have a data which have, you know, mm, the number repeated itself multiple times, and we want to get the unique numbers, that how many unique data I have. So we will convert it to set, and it will give me a unique data. So that's what set is used for in basic machine learning and our data science programs, and we'll see more use in upcoming sessions. But that's it for now. Thank you.